Good morning friend. Today we will start with the new topic fuel supply system. Then in that firstly we will see what is fuel. Fuel is a substance consumed by the engine to produce energy. The common fuel for internal combustion engines are petrol, power kerosene, high speed diesel oil, light diesel oil. The important properties of these fuels are given as below. The important properties are API degree. API means American Petroleum Index, specific gravity and calorific value of the fuel. Calorific value is measured in kilocalories per kg. Then light diesel oil having API degree 22, specific gravity 0.920 and calorific value 10,300 kilocalories per kg. High speed diesel oil API degree 31, specific gravity 0.820, calorific value 10,550 kilocalories per kg. Power kerosene API degree 40, specific gravity 0.827, calorific value 10,850. Petrol API degree 63, specific gravity 0.730, calorific value 11,100 kilocalories per kg. Which fuel having the highest calorific value? Petrol. Petrol having highest calorific value 1100 kilocalories per kg than the light diesel, high speed diesel and power kerosene. Then qualities of fuel. The quality of fuel mainly depends upon the following properties: volatility of fuel, calorific value of fuel, ignition quality of fuel. Volatility of fuel has considerable effect on the performance of the engine. Means if the fuel is more volatile, then the age of starting of the engine is easy. For example, petrol is volatile than the diesel. Diesel is harder. That's why the age of starting of petrol engine is easy, because petrol is more volatile than the diesel. Degree of crankcase oil dilution is also less in petrol engine due to volatility of fuel. Formation of vapor lock in the fuel system. Accelerating characteristics of the engine. Distribution of fuel in multi-cylinder engine. Then calorific value. The heat liberated by the combustion of fuel. Heat liberated by the combustion of fuel is known as calorific value or heat value of the fuel. It is expressed in kilocalories per kg of the fuel. The heat value of fuel is an important measure of its worth, since this is the heat which enables the engine to do the work. For example, if we are eating some food, then we will get calories. Means if we are eating the food, then we will get energy to do the work. Same like that, due to the combustion of the fuel, there is due to burning of the fuel, there is a generation of heat, and that heat is measured in kilocalories by burning of 1 kg fuel. It is expressed in kilocalories per kg. Then ignition quality. Ignition quality refers to the age of burning the oil in the combustion chamber. Octane number and cetane number are the measures of ignition quality of the fuel. Means fuel, it is a mixture of isooctane and normal heptane. Isooctane means C8H18 and normal heptane means C7H16, and it will produce the same knocking effect under the taste. It is called as a octane number of the fuel. Isooctane has excellent anti-knock qualities and it is given a rating as 100. Normal heptane will knock excessively, hence its assigned value is 0. Means octane number, it is a measure of knock characteristics of the fuel. The percentage of isooctane C8H18, the reference fuel, consisting of a mixture of isooctane and normal heptane, when it produces same knocking effect as the fuel under test, is called as the octane number of the fuel. Then cetane number. In cetane number, the percentage of cetane in a mixture of cetane means C6H34 and alpha methyl naphthalene means C11 is 16, that produces the same knocking effect as the fuel under test, is called the C10 number of the fuel. Diesel fuel are rated according to the C10 number, which is indication of ignition quality of the fuel. The higher the C10 number, the better the ignition quality of the diesel fuel. The commercial diesel fuel have got C10 number rating varying from 30 to 60. Then detonation. Detonation means knocking, means when we will start the engine. Due to the combustion of the fuel, there is a movement of piston and all moving part of the engine, and that's why we heard some noises in the engine. But that noises, if we take the vehicle and that sound, it is different than our routine sound. That why it is different? Because if we are not taking care of our engine, then your engine, there is a production of more heat, and due to the heat, what happens, there is a loss of power or overheating of the engine, and it is called as a detonation or knocking. Detonation or engine knocking refers to violent noises heard in an engine giving a pinging sound during the process of combustion of the mixture within the cylinder after the ignition has taken place. It is an undesirable combustion and result in sudden rise in pressure, a loss of power and overheating of the engine. It causes by improper fuel and inadequate cooling arrangement of the engine. That's why the knocking is more. Then pre-ignition. Pre-ignition means in suction stroke, the piston is moving from top dead center to bottom dead center. In suction stroke, there is an entry of air fuel mixture in the engine, and in compression stroke, there is a compression of air fuel mixture, and at the end of compression stroke, there is a generation of the spark. But if this spark generated before piston reaches the top dead center, then it is called as a pre-ignition. And this pre-ignition is due to overheating of the engine. If your engine is overheated, then excessive spark gets generated, and due to that, there is a chances of sport in the engine, and it is also not desirable in your engine. There is a loss of power, means fuel consumption is more and power generation is less. That's why avoid the pre-ignition. Therefore, take care and maintenance of your cooling system of the engine. Okay, then what do you mean by pre-ignition? Burning of air fuel mixture in the combustion chamber before the piston has reached the top dead center is called pre-ignition. Pre-ignition occurs when the charge is fired too far ahead of the top dead center of the piston due to excessive spark, advance or excessive heat in the cylinder. Okay, thank you.